Today, I'm going to teach you how to create custom IDs for Airtable records. This is incredibly useful when you need more readable and organized identifiers for your data instead of Airtable's default system IDs. First, open your browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Airtable homepage where you can see all your workspaces and bases. Now that you're on the homepage, locate the data or base that you want to edit. Simply click on it to open it up. This will take you directly into that specific base where you can start customizing your record IDs. Next, look for the plus icon in your data table. This icon is typically found at the top of your columns and allows you to add new fields. Click on it and a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type formula and then click on the formula field type when it appears in the results. Formulas in Airtable are powerful tools that let you create custom calculations and combinations of your data. You'll now be prompted to name your new field. Go ahead and name it Custom ID or whatever naming convention makes sense for your workflow. This field will house your custom identifier for each record. Here's where the magic happens. I have a sample formula ready for you. Feel free to pause the video at this point so you can copy it accurately, then paste it directly into the formula field. The formula combines a static text prefix with Airtable's built-in functionality to create unique identifiers. Let me explain how this formula works. The ID part in the formula is static text that will appear at the beginning of every custom ID. This helps you instantly recognize what kind of record you're looking at. The record_ID is a built-in Airtable function that's doing the heavy lifting here. It returns the unique internal record ID that Airtable automatically assigns to every record in your base. By combining these two elements, you create a custom ID that's both human-readable and guaranteed to be unique. Once you've finished copying and pasting the formula, click on Create Field to finalize everything. Airtable will process the formula and apply it to all your existing records automatically. You should now see your custom IDs populated across all your records in that column. And that's it. You've successfully created custom IDs for your Airtable records, making your data more organized and easier to reference. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.